We are the Joint Brothers. We love to cook.
And we love to have fun.
Okay, we can cut right there.
Today, we'll be using the Complete Cookbook for young chefs to make salsa, guacamole, and hummus.
I'm Finn, I'm the youngest. For hummus, I'll use
Olive oil, tahini, chickpeas,
lemon, salt, cumin, and garlic, plus minion. I can't believe I caught that. You have to put it right in the middle. And you don't want any seeds, that's why you need this. Just twist, 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 and usually the seeds stay. That's how you do it. Now I'm going to take this blender and make hummus. It.
Aren't you a little young to be doing that?
You want to go, man?
I think that looks done. Finn did a good job. To make salsa, we'll need a little salt, cilantro, tomatoes, lime, jalapeno, and garlic. Let's get started. If possible, use limes at room temperature, as they yield more juice than cold ones. Today I'll be using canned diced tomatoes as my main ingredient, and because they're picked at the height of freshness, canned tomatoes taste good year-round. For peeling garlic cloves, place the flat side of a chef's knife over a clove and give it a quick, firm smack. This will loosen the skin and make it easier to peel off. When using raw jalapenos, it's important to keep their spicy oils from spreading. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, and I would say avoid going to the bathroom too. Okay, I'm now gonna blend it. I'm using the hand blender to mix all the salsa ingredients, but only about half the diced tomatoes. I'm really wanting to make sure I blend up all the garlic, jalapeno, and cilantro. But be careful not to over-process all the tomatoes, as you want some texture.
Aren't you a little young for this?
You want a piece of me?
Sounds like my toothbrush. Now we're gonna make guacamole. To make guacamole, we'll need lime, tomato, avocado, salt, cilantro, and green onion. I like to roll the lime on the countertop with my palms to break down the inside before juicing. You have to move the reamer around the inside of the lime to get all the juice out. Reaming in different directions can help extract more juice. For cutting fresh tomatoes, it's best to use Roma or plum tomatoes as they hold their shape better. Always use a sharp knife. This makes cutting easier and safer. It helps preserve the texture of the ingredients. When When chopping cilantro, you want to make sure you separate the leaves. The cutting process is basically a pattern of gathering the cilantro as you chop it down into smaller and smaller pieces. Green onions have two parts, white base and the green tops. You can slice them together or separately, depending on your recipe, but I usually keep them together. For cutting the avocado, you'll need to start at the top with a sharp knife and cut lengthwise around the seed. Always be cautious with the knife. I don't know about you, but I earned my whittling chip in Cub Scouts, so I'm good to go. There are several ways to mash avocados depending on the texture you prefer and the tools you have available. Traditionally, guacamole is made using a molcajete, a type of mortar, and pestle. I'm using a potato ricer to mash the avocado. This is a good option if you want a smoother consistency, but still with some chunks.
What are you doing? Here.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.